So, hello guys, I am Lenal Cola and I am your host for today's lesson. So, before we start, let's have an icebreaker. So to find out if your answers are correct, let's proceed to the lesson. Learning the grammar articles is crucial for clear and accurate communication because they specify whether a noun is general or specific, helping to avoid ambiguity and ensure proper sentence construction. They may be tiny words but they do a lot of work in sentence. These particles are a, and the. These words appear before nouns to indicate whether the noun is specific or general. Definite articles the is used to identify specific noun or group of nouns, while the indefinite articles a and an are used to identify a general noun or a noun whose identity is unknown. So for example, I want the mango has different meaning than I want a mango. So, the mango refers to the specific mango, while the a mango, it could be any mango. So next, use a when the noun is adjective that comes next begins with consonant sound. So for example is a book, a car, a pen, a message, a unique opportunity, and a university. So, and then next is use an when the noun or adjective that comes next begins with a vowel sound. For example, an apple, an orange, an R, an urgent message, an empty room. So let's see if your answers are correct. So that's all for today's video. Kita-kits sa susunod. Paalam!